Yan ang aking tatlong mga Tres Marias. Do you like the beach? Do you like the place? Huh? Wow. Already done. So this is the beach. Hey, what is that? It's buko juice. Why it's only 4? We are 5.
Kinulang eh.
Hi.